Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm really excited for this look today. I like to call it little baby unicorn because it's like, it's all of my favorite colors together. We have purple and we have blue and then we have some highlight. I'm not really used to doing highlights, so I was very pleased with the way this look came out. As you can see, the highlight in my tear ducts are popping, so this look was a huge success. So let me get you guys a little closer look. And yeah, let's get started, ladies.
Let's jump into it. This is the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. I'm going to be using three colors: the brown, the turquoise shimmer, and the purple. Starting with the brown, we're just laying down the base for our eyeshadow build in a windshield wiping motion. For why? The blending. Blending is key. The next color for our eyeshadow build is the purple, and we're going to go ahead and start laying that down. I slowed this part down. Well, each time I lay down color, I slow it down so you guys can clearly see that I'm patting and blending at the same time. That way I get most of the pigment off of the brush and onto my eye. Now, one thing to keep in mind that when we are blending, we do lose a bit of the first color. So it's always a good idea to reapply that first color. That way you can keep it strong. The last color for our eyeshadow build is the turquoise shimmer. And we're just going to apply that to the inner and the bottom of our eyelids. That way we have a nice transition. As you can see, this color is really, really beautiful. But I am losing a lot of that purple. So in a few moments, I'm going to go back and reapply that purple because I've lost so much of it. As I mentioned, I lost a lot of that purple, so I'm just going to go ahead and add some more and focus on blending my colors as well. This is the newest eyeliner to my new makeup collection. This is the LA Girl Liquid Eyeliner. I like this one especially because it's really thin, so it's a lot easier for me to make my eyeliner wings very crisp. Like, look how subtle and how precise my lines are with this eyeliner. Like, that's super nice. Prepping for my lashes, I'm going in with my favorite mascara. This is the Intensify, and you guys know me. I absolutely love this mascara. So as I prep, remember, I go up a couple times and then I go down a couple times because my eyelashes are so curly. I need to have a good straight base. I'm sorry, y'all. A good straight base for my eyelashes. The lashes that I will be using in this video are the Da Vinci number 47s, and I like these because they're a lot fuller, thicker, and darker than the usual eyelashes that I wear. For the waterline, I'm going in with a basic black eyeliner pencil, and you can get this at any store really. I got this one for like $1 at, I think, Walgreens. Now that our eyeshadow build is complete, we're going to go ahead and start our things for the face. This is my liquid foundation by LA Girl Warm Caramel. And like always, just go ahead and cover up any blemishes you might have. I try to go in with a light layer of liquid foundation and then another light layer of powder foundation. That way I can do like and half type thing. That way my face isn't too oily and then my face isn't too dry from the powder. Speaking of powder, this is the foundation again by LA Girl Pro Face, and this color is also Warm Caramel. Now I'm going to go ahead and start adding color to my lower lash line. This is the purple from the, I guess, middle layer of our eyeshadow build. And then I'm going to go ahead with that turquoise shimmer and top that off as well. Now we're going to switch to our shimmer palette for a quick second, and we're going to try to do something a little bit different. We're going to add highlight to our tear duct. Now we've tried this before in previous videos, but it wasn't super strong. So this time I'm going to go in with a shimmer instead of a actual highlighter. That way this one will be a lot more brighter. And this is a silver shimmer. So as you guys can see, this one is really popping. And I did something different today by adding it to the nose, and it actually looks really nice. Don't you guys think? For this look, I'm not adding any lipstick. I'm just going to go in with a clear gloss. This is the Jelly Lippy by Ruby Kiss. And, just a little simple shine will be fine for this look. So yes, this is the final look. This is Baby Unicorn. Please let me know what you guys think about this look in the comments. Go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you ladies in the next one.